Holiday time always brings a special feeling, from the food to the music, to the smell of spices warming the stove. This homemade eggnog has that same Jamaican style Christmas coziness. It's simple and festive, and I guarantee it's gonna put you in a Christmas mood. Let me show you how to make it. Medium low heat, 2 cups oat milk, 1 cup heavy cream, salt, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, preferably freshly grated, warm gently, don't boil, you just want the flavors to come together, okay? We're gonna use 4 eggs. You're gonna separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Alright, then you just add that. Caribbean people like to take out the KHALIA'S, the white stuff in the egg yolk, or KHALIA'S. This is what you see me taking out, okay? Half cup of sugar. Now we're gonna mix together until pale and smooth. The egg yolks are gonna get lighter in color. Jingle bell rock, jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Me know Caribbean people love Christmas stuff, but I don't know. So you see it's getting nice and creamy, and the color is getting lighter. Oh, my hand tired. This is what gives the eggnog its creamy texture. Alright, this is what gives the eggnog its creaminess. Doesn't smell eggy. Now we're gonna add the warm milk mixture to the egg. This process is called tempering. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Remember, you don't want it too hot. The milk's supposed to be warm, okay? Ready? Let's go. Ooh. Add a little bit at a time. Looking good. Ready again. There we go. There you go. Nice. Back up to the stove. Low heat. Now you want the mixture to get thickened until it coats the back of the spoon, okay? So once it coats the back of the spoon, turn the heat off. Ready. All done. You can drink it like this if you like to. Plain and simple. Yeah, put to chill, enjoy. But I'm gonna add some brandy. Just a splash. And some white rum. I'm using Jamaican rum. Come on, I'm Jamaican. What do you think I'm gonna use, honey? Clock that tea. I'm joking. Cause seriously, when I drink eggnog, I the rum I want it for. Cause without the rum, it's like we're drinking melted ice cream. Not true. It's a holiday time now. Festivities, on top of festivities. Not true. You can drink warm or put to chill. I'm gonna put this to chill, then we'll come back and serve it up. Just garnishing it with some star anise. These smell amazing. Cinnamon stick. Time for the taste test. One for you. Let me do a taste test. Wow. Did you hear when I said it's gonna put you into a festive mood? Tastes good. You like it? I love it. It's gonna taste better even the next day. Don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. If you want the full recipe, it will be uploaded on my blog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys, see you in my next one.